So how exactly do you become a TikTok Shop affiliate now in 2025? So I'm going to start by explaining what TikTok Shop affiliate is, and then I'm going to talk you through the requirements for the UK and the US as well. So TikTok Shop affiliate in the simplest way is being able to create normal videos like you do on TikTok, except you're able to talk about products that are from the TikTok Shop, and you're able to make money by adding some links on those products. So when people purchase them through your videos, you get a commission. In order to become a TikTok Shop affiliate in the United Kingdom, you need to be over the age of 18. You need to have an active TikTok account, which is a minimum of 1,000 followers. And your account also needs to be complying with TikTok's community guidelines. TikTok will check if you are someone that's based in the UK. They will check that by passport, by driving license. You can try and find different workarounds, but they will ultimately find out. I'm not saying these other methods won't work. I'm just outlining that they do check. If you're based in the United States, you need to be over the age of 18 years old. You need to be having an active TikTok account with a minimum follow count of 5,000 followers. You must be a legal resident of the United States, and you must be complying by TikTok's community guidelines. Similar to here in the UK, they will check your residency status and make sure that you are someone that's a resident of the United States. There is a workaround that people are using, whether you're in the US or United Kingdom, and that is of course applying as a TikTok shop rather than a TikTok Shop affiliate. A TikTok Shop is the store, the online shop, the product. They own these products that we're promoting. The TikTok Shop affiliate is you, the content creator, that takes that product from the shop, put it in your videos, and you earn commission anytime someone buys from those videos. So if you apply as a shop from 0 followers, you get the features of a TikTok Shop affiliate. From your very first video, from 0 followers, you're able to upload those videos promoting products. So technically, you're a sole trader, you're a TikTok Shop, but you're just another creator creating videos from 0. Now, it is a bit of a controversial approach. It's not clear whether TikTok frowns upon this. People are saying on one hand that TikTok is shadow banning, or TikTok is shutting down these accounts once they report it. On another hand, I created a similar account and I made well over £500 on it, where I was clearly promoting TikTok Shop affiliate products and I was under the minimum of 1,000 followers. I actually got paid. I've put some screenshots on. So it does work, but for how long it's going to work and for how long TikTok is going to allow you to do that, it's not very clear. So it is a risk that you are taking when you are doing that. For those of you that are curious as to whether TikTok Shop affiliate really works, as to whether people are really making money with TikTok Shop affiliate, or if it's all just a bunch of internet BS, I'm going to run through some results here so you can see for yourself. I'm using a tool called Shop Plus here, which allows you to see all kinds of weird and wonderful details about TikTok Shop, what's working, who's selling what, who's making how much. It's essentially a spy tool, so you can see a whole lot more information than TikTok shows you when you are jumping into this whole TikTok Shop thing. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to grab it. So this is some data for the United States, just to give you some examples. This is a product known as the high-waisted butt lifting leggings. This is one of the highest selling products currently on TikTok Shop. When people take this product and put it in their video and talk about it, if people go and buy that product from their video, the creator who created the video is going to get 10% off that price. So they're going to get 10% commission every time someone buys it. Now, you're probably sitting there thinking, okay, that sounds very good, but who on earth is going to buy anything from TikTok in their right mind? Got you. Look at this first creator here. Currently number 1, she created a 59-second video, and the video was uploaded on the 27th of November 2024. Remember, they get 10% commission. In revenue, she brought in $986,270. So she got 10% off that, which is around $98,000 or somewhere there as take-home commission that she gets to keep. Second creator here, I think it's the same creator, it actually is. So she actually made another $815,000, $330,000 there. And again, she got to keep 10% off that, off a different video, which was 45 seconds long. This one was uploaded on the 19th of November, 2024. You see where I'm going with this. Let's look at a completely different creator. In fact, let me see if I can get a smaller creator. If we look at this one here, so they made a 39-second long video, generated $243,020. The video was uploaded on the 24th of November in 2024, and they got 10% of that, around $24,000 commission. And remember, this is TikTok. You're not limited to uploading just one video a day. If you want to, you can upload 20 of these videos a day talking about this product. TikTok does not limit how many videos you're able to upload. The only limit is the time that you've got to be able to spend on those videos. Another example, this other creator here, and I've not planned these creators, by the way, I'm just randomly picking these up. Jordan, 7.1k followers, around $3,400. So you can see how much money people are making off TikTok Shop. And yes, you can see that people are actually spending a ton of money buying things on TikTok Shop, as much as they do on Amazon and other online marketplaces, Shopify, etc. Let's look at the United Kingdom and let's pick a product. These apple cider vinegar gummies. Similar method. Creators get 15% commission out of every sale. That first creator there, Megan Rose Beasley, 20-second video. She generated $182,730 from that video. Now remember, she gets 15% off that, so whatever 15% off that is, 19,000, 20,000, somewhere around there is what she gets to keep. Another creator here, 26-second video, Tony's Finds, 6.3k followers, so tiny in the bigger scheme of things. Generated $94,670, so around $11,000 somewhere. Okay, I've gone into relevant videos. I've not to the creator's entire library of videos they've created. It's just a single video that they made. The video got viral, or the shop put ads on it, and they made that commission. So again, you can see why people in the US are absolutely crying tears that they are threatening to ban TikTok. It's also worth mentioning all of this is done within the TikTok app. I don't know how well you can see it. This is what's called a TikTok creator product marketplace, where you can pick products and start promoting them in your video. So the whole process of picking a product, getting a link, putting it in your video, ordering the product sample so you can promote it is done here. So you don't have to go into, other websites and so forth. So TikTok has made it stupidly simple to be able to jump into this form of affiliate marketing. But the problem is, you want to make sure that you choose the right products, and products that are selling well, products that are trending, products that are going viral on TikTok Shop, so you have a higher chance of making money quicker. But how do you go about doing that? Well, lucky for you, the video that's currently on the screen covers exactly just that. So grab a pen and paper and I'll see you in there.